Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you if you have a Patreon account and you want to link it to your GitHub or connect it to your GitHub profile, then I'm going to show you how to connect Patreon to GitHub. So that's super easy as well. Just simply go ahead and log into your GitHub account, click your account on the upper right hand side and click on profile. On the profile, you will see your picture on the left hand side there if you have one added. If not, you will see just a little blank place here where you can add pictures, right? So you click on that anyways, and you want to go to account on the left hand side. Scroll up a bit because it's going to kind of add you to the center of this page. So you want to scroll up until you see link Patreon account. You want to click on connect with Patreon. It's going to take you over right here where you need to connect into your Patreon account. So if you have, for example, a Patreon account connected with your Google or your Apple or Facebook, or you have some other email address set up, just simply go ahead and choose. Now I don't have one, of course, but you can easily go ahead and continue. So I'm going to choose, for example, Google, like I'm about to create one. Click on that and you will say like, okay, sign in, and you click on that and sign right in. So you can easily go ahead and choose that, continue. The bottom there, it's gonna basically log you into Patreon. And as you can see, I'm gonna just choose allow right here, and that's pretty much it. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's how you'd go ahead and, let's say, connect your GitHub to Patreon. And if you refresh the page like I just did right there, you will see that it shows that unlink. That's pretty much all that you have to do. Very easy and very simple.